Hello fantastic people, I hope you are having a great day. Today I have for you something very special. A while ago I started to work on a small horror game. It was supposed to be one of those little projects I complete over the weekend. However, I liked the idea so much that I felt I want to build upon it. And so I did. So, what's the game? Well, I didn't want to create yet another walking simulator. So I was thinking that I should find a core mechanic that feels fun even when played on its own and then twist it into a horror. And well, is there a bigger horror than everyday work? So, the whole idea is pretty simple. You are a night shift worker in a tool factory warehouse. And you earn on accord, so the more you deliver, the more you earn. There are even some performance bonuses and some penalties for mistakes. And I wanted to make it challenging, but in a realistic way. I didn't want there to be any counters that track your progress and let you see how many items you already put in the boxes. I want the player to be responsible for organizing their own work. So it's up to you if you just smash things into the boxes and count everything in your head, or if you organize everything neatly on the shelves and then pack them one by one. And there's one more aspect. The electric installation in the warehouse is terrible, so you also have to take care about the fuses. You need to make sure they are in good condition and not overworked. If you can make everything fast and correctly, you'll earn money. And if you're making a lot of mistakes, well, you may lose money at the end of the shift. Now, what makes the game special is the setting. The warehouse is a part of larger chain called Happy Worker Tool Company, located in a post-Soviet state Republic of Kalvania. It's like one of those countries where, communists never left and the dictatorship is still in place. The type of place where if you work hard and keep your mouth shut, you'll live and be able to support your family's basic needs. But if you think and talk too much, well, let's just say the game will let you explore what happens then. In the game, there are no jump scares. However, the atmosphere starts to get denser and darker the more you neglect your mental health. The radio songs sound scarier, and you may even hear a weird, twisted announcements. And trust me, that's not the only thing that will make your hound pound a little bit faster. So, you're probably wondering what is the current state. And here's probably the largest surprise. The game is ready. The only thing left is the integration with Steam achievements. And the Steam page will be available within the next couple of days. And because I love you so much, here's something special for you. Here's the official trailer. You'll be the first ones to see it. Enjoy!
Welcome back, Kay. Nice to have you around again. I won't lie. After what you've been through, I didn't expect you to come back so soon. But I'm really glad to see you're doing better.
Sí.